Welcome back. This is the second part of navigating your Google Drive account. So if you noticed, we had our practice folder. So I'm going to show you how you can take a document that you create in a Google Doc and transfer it back to Microsoft Word or retransfer it back into your Google Drive. So if I want to keep it in my practice folder, I'll open up my practice folder. I'll go to New, and you have the choice to create a Google Doc, a Google Sheet, or a Google Slide. So we're going to keep this simple and start with just a Google Doc. I'll click on the Google Docs, and if you notice up here, it took me right to the documents. This is set up very similar to Microsoft Word. You have all your things that you can do right here. You have your format, tools, add-ons, you can insert pictures. So what I'll first start with, I'll center it, we're just going to write practice sheet. And if you notice too, as soon as I click these words, it'll pop up into my unentitled document. So your first words that you want to write can take it right to renaming what your document is. So I have my practice sheet. I can finish doing all the work, and it's already saved in my folder. If I go back to my practice folder, you notice that document that I created is already automatically put into the folder that I started it in. So if I go back to the practice sheet and I need to download it back to a Microsoft Word document to utilize it for something different, you would go up to File and you can go down to Download As. You can change this back to a Word document. You can change this to a PDF form. You can even change it to a web page. So if we wanted to take this sheet that I just created to a Microsoft Word document, I would click Microsoft Word, and it will open up it on the bottom of your screen as a Word document. So if I click open that Word document, it'll pop up as a Microsoft Word document. If I want to enable the editing, I'll just click Enable Editing, and here's my practice sheet. Now I can go in, I can save this as something, and I can always convert it right back, but it's still in my practice folder. So even when you change it back to a Word document, you never lose your information in your Google Doc. So that is another step in creating a Google Doc right from your drive and being able to transfer it back into a Microsoft Word document.